hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to do complete makeup with NYbae products. So these are some of the really affordable cheap products which you can find in purple. So I thought we'll give it a try with all the products which I have from NYbae and do a complete makeup with only NYbae products. So let's get started. So I have these three primers from NYbae. This is the makeup primer. This is the orange color correcting primer. And this is the eye brightening primer. So first I'll use the NYbae makeup primer. Next I'll use the color correcting primer for my under eyes and my pigmented areas. Next I'll use this eye brightening primer just for my eyelids. Next I'll be using the NYbae foundation. So this is the NYbae 3-in-1 primer plus foundation plus serum, and this is of shade Warm Sand. I'm using this Swiss Beauty foundation blending brush. So I will blend this with my makeup sponge as well. Okay, for concealing, I've got this NYbae concealer stick. So this is of shade Caramel. So this is blending in really well. And for contouring, again, I've got this stick. Now I'll be using this NYbae loose powder to set the concealer which I have applied. I'm using this powder brush from Swiss Beauty to apply the powder wherever I have applied the concealer. Now I'll be using this blush from NYbae. So this is a liquid based blush, and I'm applying a little bit of quantity on my cheekbones. And this is a very light shade and it goes really well for a dusky skin tone. A little bit of quantity is enough for this blush. Now I'll be using this contour from NYbae. So this is a powder based contour. And I'm using this angular contour brush from Swiss Beauty to apply the contour in my face. This is also a really good shade and goes well for a dusky skin tone. Now I'll be using this NYbae eyeshadow palette. So I'll use this brick color shade for my eyelids. So I'll be applying this all over my eyelids. So this is a very simple eye makeup look. So I'll apply this shade all over my eyelids. Now I'm taking this shimmery shade and I'm applying it over my eyelid. Just a little bit of quantity. And now I've taken a highlighter shade and I'm applying in the inner corner of my eyes and below my eyebrows. So this is a really pigmented eyeshadow palette. You can give it a try. Now I'm going to be using the NYbae I Love Mascara. So this is a really good mascara and makes your eyelashes really thick. So you can definitely give it a try. And now I'm using the Kajal from NYbae. So this is a brown shade Kajal. Its shade is called Brown Babe. So this is the Serum lipstick from NYbae and this is of shade Mauve Mist. So this is a mauve shaded lipstick and it's a really good shade. I wanted to purchase this shade for a long time and it actually really looks good. So this is the completed look with all the NYbae products. So these products are really affordable and the quality is also good. So I will provide all the product details in the description. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.